Yo, hey guys, what is up? It's JJ Tech here, back again for another brand new video. And today, like I had promised, another brand new video. Today, I've also got you a new product. Today, I've got you the Anker Soundcore Liberty Neo wireless earbuds. So as you can see here, I got some nice earbuds here. The Soundcore Liberty Neo wireless earbuds, I guess you could say. And today I'm going to be unboxing. And now you're probably wondering, wait, how are you going to do an unboxing when there's like no table in front of you to really show off this product? Well, guess what? Right now, I'm obviously in a standing position, but let's head to the studio and let's crack this baby open. Alrighty, so I'm back over here, and this is kind of a throwback for you OG subscribers that know this is how I did my videos back in the day, and this is how I'm going to be doing kind of the unboxing type videos to make it more in depth so you guys can kind of see how the unboxing experience actually is from a first person point of view. But let's get all that talking out of the way. As you can see here, we got the ultra compact Soundcore by Anker wireless earbuds, but let's just open these up, and of course I'll get to the price later on in the video, and I will get to the specs in the next video because I'm going to be doing a review on these. So let's put that to the side. As you can see here, we got a nice presentation here. Overall, like I said, there are many colors. There's black, blue, red, and of course there's white. So let's just take these out and put this down. But I'm not sure if you can see here, it does say Soundcore, and in the front, not sure if you can also see that, but there's some 3 little LED indicators to let you know obviously how the battery is on the charging case itself. Now let's crack these open. As you can see here, and as you can see, we're nice and presented with the earbuds. Now, in case you guys are wondering if I'm able to open this even more, I am not. That's pretty much all it opens, which I was kind of disappointed about. And yes, I have already kind of cracked open at these, but I have not actually used them. So as you can see here, we have the earbud itself, pretty compact and small. To me, it kind of reminds me of the Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus. Not sure if you guys know about that, but I'm not sure if you heard that too. There's 2 little battery chargers here, 2 contact points, and also on the earbud itself, so you can just slide it by a magnet and then just close it right up. Now let's dig inside the box. Now as you can see here, it is charged by a micro USB cable. Not sure if you can see that. I was kind of disappointed about that, but when I get to the price point, you guys will understand why that is a micro USB charging cable. And then this right here is some rubber tips for the surrounds of the actual earbuds, which I'll get to that. And then these are actually the replaceable ear tips. Obviously, you all know what that is, and there's a bunch of them in this little package. And also down here, we also get more of those same irreplaceable rubber tips surrounding the earbud itself, which, like I said, I will get to. And the rest is just some real boring paperwork. As you can see here, do I have basically how to use them? No one needs that. Come on now. And then you have a little happy card, not satisfied, whatever. And then you get whatever this is. And then in here, of course, you get the user manual. And this is probably one of the thickest user manuals I've probably ever seen on a little pair of wireless earbuds like these. Alright, so now that we got the boring stuff out of the way, let's get back to these earbuds. Now obviously, like I said, I'm going to talk about the specs. I will be getting more in depth in the specs on the next video, which will be the review. And of course, I'll try to compare these to other earbuds that I have. I know I pretty much do headphones on the channel, but I do have around 2 wireless earbuds sitting around, which I will compare them to, so stay tuned for that. Now overall, the design is really good. As you can see here, many colors is black, white, red, and blue, but obviously those are more expensive, about 10 bucks more on Amazon, and I will be revealing the price at the end of the video. Alright, so that pretty much wraps up today's video, guys. Hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to subscribe down below, as well as turn on post notifications so you can get notified every time I upload a brand new video like the review for these guys. And also stay tuned because I will be revealing the specs on these earbuds for the next video, so stay tuned for that. So hopefully you guys like this little style of unboxing, kind of a little bit of a throwback. Let me know in the comments as well what you guys thought of it. And like I said, promising again with 2 videos a week thing, I will be doing that on a daily basis now. So also comment that in the comment section down below and let me know what you think of the upload schedule. Alright, so this video is over, guys. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.